If you've ever vacuumed a rug and thought it looked clean enough, only to realize later that you were just gliding over a mountain of hidden dust, it's time to stop guessing and start seeing. Welcome back. If you're looking for the smartest way to deep clean your home without being tethered to a wall, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus IZ376H is the high-visibility hero of 2026. This isn't just a motor on a stick. It is a sensor-driven cleaning powerhouse. The standout feature for 2026 is the Dirt-Reveal technology, a specialized lighting array that illuminates microscopic dust and pet hair that regular LEDs miss. Paired with FloorDetect, the IZ376H automatically senses the difference between a plush rug and a sleek hardwood floor, instantly adjusting its brush roll speed and suction power to maximize efficiency. You don't have to toggle switches. The vacuum simply knows what it's cleaning. What really makes the PowerPro Reveal Plus a top-tier choice for 2026 is its whole home filtration system. It features a completely sealed HEPA system, capturing 99.9% of dust and allergens, a must-have for pet owners or anyone with seasonal allergies. The IZ376H also boasts Shark's signature power fins, which provide continuous cleaning contact to dig deep into carpets and directly engage hard floors. With its cordless, lightweight design and a rechargeable battery that handles multi-room sessions with ease, it turns a grueling chore into a quick, satisfying lap around the house. Click the link below for the best price and finally see what your old vacuum was leaving behind. If this breakdown helped you find your next cleaning essential, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the home tech that actually pulls its weight. See you in the next one.